Good morning, children. Today our subject is English. So this is your English, that is literacy book, and in this book you have to open page number 137. So what we have to do in this page, see what is written here. Write the letters that come before and after the given letters. So children, here some letters are written over here. See, so here you have to write the letter that comes before and after that the given letter. So let's start. So this is small letter f. This is small letter f. So now you have to tell me, children, now you have to tell me what comes before letter f and after letter f. So yes, children, you have to tell me what comes before letter f. Yes, letter E. So you will write small letter E. Now tell me what comes after letter F. Yes, letter G. So you will write small letter G here. So here you will write small letter. So now this is letter H. So what comes before letter H? It's come G. So you will write letter G. And what comes after H? I. So you will write small letter I. So now this is letter J. So now tell me what comes before letter J. Yes, letter I. So you will write letter I, and then what comes after this letter J? Yes, letter K. So you will write small letter K here. So now this is letter L. This is small letter L. So now tell me what comes before letter L. Yes, it's come letter K. So you will write small letter K. And what comes after letter L? Yes, M. So we'll write small letter M. So now children, what tell me, this is small letter M. So this is small letter M. So you have to tell me what comes before letter M. Yes, children, any guesses? Can you tell me what comes before letter M? Yes, letter L. So you will write small letter L here. Now tell me what comes after letter M. Yes, letter N. So you will write small letter N. So now this is small letter O. So now tell me what comes before letter O. Yes, letter N. So you will write small letter N here. Now what comes after letter O? Yes, letter P. Okay. So now this is letter Q. So you have to tell me what comes before letter Q. Yes, letter P. Now what comes after letter Q? Yes, R. So now this is small letter s. So you have to tell me what comes before letter s. R. And what comes after letter s? Letter T. So you will write small letter T. Now this is letter J. So now tell me what comes before letter J. Yes, letter I. So you will write letter I here. And now what comes after letter J? Yes, K. So now this is letter U. This is small letter U. So you have to tell me what comes before letter U. Yes, letter T. So you will write small letter T here. Now what comes after letter U? Yes, letter V. So you will write small letter V. Now this is capital letter W. So now this is letter W, small letter W. So now children, tell me what comes before letter W. Yes, letter V. So you will write letter V here. And what comes after letter W? X. So you will write letter X here. Now this is letter X. So now you have to tell me what comes before letter X. Yes, letter W. So you will write W, and what comes after letter X? Y. So you will write letter Y. So children, in this way you have to complete this page. So you have to here you have to write the letters that comes before and after this given letter.